The ZCWA robot vacuum cleaner stands out as a versatile and efficient cleaning companion. Let's take a closer look at this innovative device. The ZCWA robot vacuum cleaner is a robotic vacuum and mop combo designed to make your cleaning routine effortless. With its sleek design and striking blue color, it not only performs its duties diligently, but also adds a touch of elegance to your home decor. Equipped with advanced features such as Alexa compatibility, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a dedicated app, this intelligent cleaning assistant is designed to meet your every need. One of the standout features of the ZCWA robot vacuum cleaner is its compatibility with Alexa, allowing you to control it with simple voice commands. Whether you're busy with other tasks or simply prefer a hands-free experience, you can instruct the robot to start or stop cleaning, change cleaning modes, or return to its charging station effortlessly. Additionally, the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity enables you to connect the ZCWA robot vacuum cleaner to your home network. This feature opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to control and monitor the cleaning process from anywhere using your smartphone. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you can always keep an eye on your cleaning progress and adjust settings as needed. The accompanying mobile app adds another layer of convenience to your cleaning experience. With the app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, customize cleaning modes, and even create virtual boundaries to keep the robot within specific areas or away from certain rooms. This level of control allows you to tailor the cleaning process to suit your individual preferences. The ZCWA robot vacuum cleaner's cleaning capabilities are equally impressive. Equipped with a powerful suction system, it effectively removes dirt, dust, and pet hair from various surfaces, including hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its intelligent mapping and navigation system ensures thorough coverage of your home, efficiently maneuvering around obstacles and avoiding falls downstairs. One of the standout features of this device is its mop functionality, which sets it apart from many other robotic vacuum cleaners on the market. With a 230 milliliters water tank, the ZCWA robot vacuum cleaner can mop your floors, leaving them sparkling clean. This dual functionality saves you time and effort, as you no longer need separate devices for vacuuming and mopping. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.